The 2025 Subaru BRZ is a car that continues to embody the spirit of pure driving pleasure. With a sleek, aerodynamic design that stays true to its sports car roots, the BRZ has been refined to deliver an even more thrilling experience on the road. The front end features a more aggressive stance with sharp, angular LED headlights and a lower grille that hints at the power within. The overall silhouette remains low and wide, emphasizing its track-ready capabilities. Under the hood, the 2025 BRZ comes equipped with a 2.4-liter flat-4 engine, now delivering more power and torque than its predecessor. This naturally aspirated engine produces an impressive 228 horsepower and 184 lb-ft of torque, ensuring a responsive and engaging drive. Paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or an available automatic with paddle shifters, the BRZ caters to driving enthusiasts who value precision and control. The interior of the 2025 Subaru BRZ is designed with the driver in mind. It features a minimalist yet functional layout with high-quality materials and ergonomic seating. The new digital instrument cluster provides all the essential information at a glance, while the infotainment system is equipped with an updated touchscreen that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The BRZ's cabin is a blend of comfort and sportiness, making it an ideal place to enjoy spirited driving. On the road, the 2025 BRZ shines with its finely tuned suspension and chassis. The car offers excellent handling dynamics, allowing for precise cornering and a connected feel to the pavement. Subaru's engineers have also enhanced the BRZ's structural rigidity, resulting in improved stability and confidence at high speeds. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising on the highway, the BRZ delivers an exhilarating experience. Safety is not overlooked in the 2025 BRZ, as it comes standard with Subaru's suite of advanced driver assist technologies. These include pre-collision braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure warning, among others. These features add an extra layer of security without compromising the driving excitement that the BRZ is known for. In summary, the 2025 Subaru BRZ is a car that blends power, precision, and practicality into a package that is sure to excite driving enthusiasts. With its upgraded performance, modernized interior, and a focus on driver engagement, the BRZ remains a standout choice for those who crave a pure sports car experience.